Ahead of the 4th of July holiday, some of our local health departments are issuing advisories about the Delta variant. In Jefferson County, new cases are up 42% over the last 2 weeks. Many of those are ages 10 to 19. The County Health Department recommends wearing a mask in public even if you're vaccinated or in groups where you don't know the vaccination status of other people. They also encourage the unvaccinated to go get your shot.
And joining together, St. Louis City and County are issuing a public health advisory, making sure folks get some guidance with the holiday weekend. Our Justina Cornell is live with recommendations from local health experts. Justina.
Yeah, Mike, the Delta variant really does affect the 4th of July weekend. And so you're probably hearing a variety of recommendations going around. So that's why we wanted to find answers to help you.
We are ranked number 2 in the nation in terms of the number of new cases attributable to the Delta variant.
The Delta variant is wreaking havoc in southwest Missouri, which means the St. Louis region isn't immune either.
I am really concerned about the Delta virus. Some of the studies showed like 40 to 60% more transmissible.
It's more contagious. Combine that with the vaccination rates, we're in a pickle. St. Louis County sits at 43%, St. Louis City at 33% for those fully vaccinated.
Even if you're vaccinated, it is important to be careful.
So we asked our local doctors for their best advice during this confusing time. St. Louis City and County Health Departments recommend wearing masks indoors, even if you're vaccinated. Another tip, smaller crowds rather than larger ones.
Smaller gatherings of fully vaccinated people is going to put you at much lower risk.
Big events are really where the risk is.
And try being outside rather than indoors.
If you're outdoors, the only risk to you is if you're in close proximity with others. If you're in a crowded place outdoors, there are thousands of people or hundreds of people around you, you need to be masked. If you're not at least 6 feet away from them.
New recommendations as a new strain creeps in.
So even people that are vaccinated, there's enough people infected that the odds or the chances that you can get an infection on that vaccination go up.
Things may feel like we're back to normal, but we're still in a pandemic. That's why the biggest advice is to get the vaccine.
Now more than ever, it's absolutely imperative that we vaccinate as many people as possible.
Now, keep these tips in mind for children under the age of 12 because they can't get vaccinated yet. And for those who are considering getting vaccinated, keep in mind it takes about a month to be fully inoculated. Reporting in downtown St. Louis, Justina Cornell, 5 on your side.